Hi everyone, I'm Deanna from Wilton, and today's video is for anyone looking to sweeten up their homemade frosting. I'm going to share with you how to make a creamy marshmallow buttercream frosting recipe. This marshmallow buttercream is like adding a fluffy cloud of delicious flavor to your favorite cupcakes or cakes. Leave it as a bright white or easily tinted with icing color to fit any occasion. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Give us a like and comment down below if you have any questions. Using an electric or stand mixer, beat half a cup of softened butter and half a cup of shortening until light and fluffy. This takes about a minute, but it's more about the texture. It should be light and fluffy, like this. If you prefer, you can use all butter. However, this will change the flavor slightly as the butter flavor competes with the marshmallow flavor. Once the mixture is light and fluffy, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue beating until combined. Gradually add in the confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, mixing at a low speed, then beating well on medium speed. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl often to keep everything incorporated. When all 4 cups of powdered sugar have been mixed in, your icing will appear dry, but this is normal. Lastly, add in your 1.5 cups of marshmallow cream and beat it on medium speed until your buttercream becomes light and fluffy. Marshmallow cream is a spreadable marshmallow product available in most grocery stores. This recipe makes a little more than 3 cups of frosting and is good for basic piping like rosettes and stars. Since it's a softer frosting, it won't work as well for piping flowers. And there you have it. Doesn't get much easier than that. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll try this marshmallow buttercream frosting. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your baking friends, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, leave a comment below on what videos you'd like to see next. I'm Deanna from Wilton, and thanks for watching.